Welcome back to lesson 2 of functions. Make yourself comfortable, relax, and prepare your minds for simplicity. Alright, don't you worry. So, in this lesson, we're going to first extend our understanding of functions, and second, expose ourselves to different ways of thinking about functions. Alright, so in the last video, we concluded that what a function does is that it relates inputs to outputs, or maps inputs to outputs. So you give it something, maps it to an output. Well, there are a couple of ways of thinking about that concept, and that's what we're going to get into in this video. Alright, first thing, maps. We can express functions as maps, and here's how. Alright, so we will write the inputs as part of a set, call it X or anything, and the outputs as part of another set, which we'll call Y. Now, we know what functions do is that they map inputs to outputs. They map inputs to outputs. So, say some function would map some inputs to some outputs. An example would be, it just maps 1, 2, 3 to other subsequent values 2, 4, 6. That's a function. That's a function that is defined by a rule and maps these numbers together, relates them, and here's the map. So that's it. That's a map. Next, we have ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. All right. From the name, we can tell that we're going to deal with pairs of numbers. Functions have to do with inputs and outputs, so inputs and outputs paired together. All right. So what is an ordered pair? Well, it basically means that we could pair an input and output together. Two related inputs and outputs together. So an input X would be paired with an input Y as written. Let's take an example. So say we have a function defined by 2x, so f of x is equal to 2x, and we input 2, that would give us an output of 4. How would we write this as an ordered pair? Well, the input 2 would be paired with 4 as follows. And we could also write these ordered pairs as a set, so a set of ordered pairs. More on that in the coming videos. That's it for this lesson. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, just keep in mind the meaning of a function. Basically, that it's a kind of relation that relates things together, inputs and outputs. More on that in the coming videos, so I should stop here. Thank you, and I hope you've learned from this video.